Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi magnific espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a tune-up replacing the brew unit, the one you see right here, as well as descaling the machine, give it a good clean all around it, and replacing the gasket of the generator, clean the shower screen of the generator, lubricate the transmission, and clean it a little bit around. We also did a descale cycle on this machine, and yeah, that's what we did. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're going to test it out. We're going to select 2 ounces and we're going to put the maximum amount of coffee grounded. There you go. Beans are getting grounded right there. Pulling down into this compartment right here, which goes inside the brew unit. Then the brew unit moves all the way to the right. Then the transmission pushes the brew unit all the way to the generator, but the generator will tell the water pump to start pushing water, push it through here and then into the spouts. As you can see, it's a nice steady stream coming out of the machine. Excellent quantity. That's exactly what we marked right here. Perfect. Look at that cream as well on top of the espresso. Looking great. Now we're going to be testing the hot water. As you can see, nice stream coming out of one. Excellent flow. Looking great. And now for the steamer, we're going to do that as well. It's going to take a little bit for the thermoblock to reach temperature, but once it reaches it, we're going to see steam coming out through the one. As the thermoblock gets hot, we start seeing more steam coming out through the one. There you go. Start to push steam the way it's supposed to, and up temperature as well. As you can see, it's a nice steady steam coming out of the one. Looking great. Working perfectly. Really great temperature. So there you have it, the DeLonghi Magnifica working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee and subscribe to the channel.